Panelists on the line.
Hey guys, today is Friday, December 27. It is just after 2 p.m. Eastern, and I wanted to do a quick video. We are headed into the end of the year, and as I have stated in my emails over the last 2 weeks anyways, the cost to own the bot, guys, will be rising to $29.97. And I have had a few emails asking why the price continues to go up. And there's a couple of reasons for it. First and foremost, we keep adding to it. And since inception, the bot has come a long, long way. And more specifically, guys, it works. Bottom line is it works. I trade it. I'm going to show you what the bots did today. I will show you all of the charts or all of the time frames that I traded on everything. I will also show you my live account. I did a few trades today in my live account, actually one trade in my live account this morning. I was not around. I'm not really trading. Guys, volume is very, very low. We're missing some 40% of our average 3-month daily volume. And last year, this time between Christmas and after New Year's, was pretty dull and uneventful. I realize the markets have rocketed to new all-time highs. But there will be trades to do next week, next month, and next year. So missing a few days of trading, in my opinion, hadn't been worth the risk. But in any event, the bots did run today. They ran all day from 7:30 or so this morning. And I'm going to show you what's becoming some of my favorite charts. So as you guys know, and as I've spoken about in webinars and I've spoken about in these videos, I do run the bot on generally several time frames of the same instrument. And the reason for that is they don't all take trades simultaneously. So for instance, I'm showing you here gold on a Unirenko, which I'm really, really liking a lot. You can see this trade here on gold, which was along at 10.04, and both targets were hit and exceeded. There was a small short here at 9.40, which came within a few ticks of first target and then reversed. And then again here this morning at 8.20. But when all was said and done, gold on the bot on the Unirenko finished up $410. I'll take those numbers every day, right? So up 410 on gold on a Unirenko. Now on the 500 tick, not as explosive. There was some nice moves. Here was a nice trade in here. Gold finished up 220. So if you were running the bot on these two charts, the 500 tick and the Unirenko, you'd be up some $630 on the gold. I also run gold on one last chart. It's a 987 tick. It did not get turned on today. Would not have taken a trade at all. This is a high probability chart, 987 tick using a 500 and a 1250 tick reference. Doesn't take a lot of trades, but they are high probability. I did not turn it on anyway, so it's moot. But again, gold had a very, very nice trade today, up on both of the time frames that I traded on. So that's gold. Crude, I trade on a couple of different time frames. Crude actually did very little today. On the Unirenko, crude was down 20 bucks on two contracts. I've got it set up basically for my live account. We did have a nice winner here right at 9:30. And you can see the purple area. I've got this structured to turn on at 9 o'clock. It did get a winning trade in here. It did get a winning trade in here, but the bot was off. But there must have been some chop in here because it's down 20 bucks on the session. Now it's possible somewhere I've got this Sim ZS set to something else, but in any event, 20 bucks down on the crude time frame that I traded on. On the other time frame I trade crude on, The 500 tick was down $350 today for me. So crude was down an aggregate total of $370. Let's go through the rest of these guys. No trades today for me on the ES, no trades on the dollar index. I'll show you natural gas first. Natural gas was up 160 today on a few trades. Nice, very nice winning trade here. Misses this long in here. It's against a red background, but a very nice short here to finish up 160 on natural gas. What is quickly becoming one of my favorite instruments to trade is RB. This is RB on the Unirenko, and it's really, the settings here are just fantastic. I shut RB off at 11 o'clock or 11:30, whatever it was, 11:30 maybe. So it didn't get this last trade, but RB on a Unirenko using these settings was up $520.80. This is the other chart that I trade RB on, which is the 5-minute. That was up 327.60 on a 5-minute chart. So RB is up some $847, $48 and change just in gasoline. Now gasoline is thin, but nonetheless, I do trade that and I do like it. Russell, I trade on two different time frames. I trade the Russell on both a 15 range and a 500 tick. The 15 range on the Russell today was up $405. And on the 500 tick, it was up $220. So you have a combined $625 in Russell winnings. Nasdaq, I have today traded it here and here. Again, you'll notice the purple background, so it's set to shut off at 11:45. So it won't take trades after 11:45. But the Nasdaq on the 15 range was up 290, and the Nasdaq on the Unirenko was up $305. So another $600 or so on the Nasdaq in combined winnings. Silver had a very nice trade here for $350 on two contracts. Didn't quite make it to the second target, but another winner in silver. This again also is a high probability chart and settings. Does not take a lot of trades, but they are generally winners. Lastly, this 13 range on the YM finished down $310. Now you'll notice this short here was a winner, and then this long here not quite a winner. So down on the that went to a loss. Down on the YM, $300. Guys, today's gross aggregate total gross was $2,178.40. The reason that the price of the bot is going up is because it works, fellas. There's not another automated trading system out there that can trade with the precision and accuracy as ours. If you guys are interested in owning the bot prior to January 1st, it is still $22.97. That will include the back testing strategy. As of January 1st, the investment to own the bot will be $29.97, and the back testing strategy will be $250 in addition. Will not be included as a package deal. If you're interested, feel free to email myself or Lauren. Her email address will be in this email that you're receiving. I wish you well. I will see you all probably on Monday. I will let the bots run again on Monday. Oh, lastly, very quickly, here's my live account, guys. This is my live account. You can see my live trades. I took one live trade today for $310 off the bot and shut it down. Again, volume is very, very thin. I have no interest in trying to trade this very thin volume other than potentially right at the open, which I may do again on Monday and Tuesday. So I will send another video Monday. I will send a video Tuesday Tuesday is the absolute last day that you will be able to own the bot for $22.97. Thanks, guys. Have a blessed weekend.